Hi guys, welcome to Sumit Raj channel. Hope you have watched my previous video. If not, a link is shared in description. Please check it out. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Your one suggestion can change someone's life. Today I will talk about motivational. Learn from the legend. You have heard many motivational speaker names in this world. Aidan Sandesh Maheshwari, T.S. Madan, Gagan Chopra, Dr. Bindra and many more. If you come across all the names, they are good in motivational. What they actually do, they say, if you talk about Sandesh Maheshwari, he is a common people. He said from last to up till death, he shared his failure, his way to achieve his dream from the born to till death. He shared all the ideas to become success. If you share other motivational speakers, T.N. Madan, Chopra and other, they are all a businessman, a salesperson, a professor or some doctors. They share his own experience, own goals to others to influence the other people. Hope I can't influence like other, but can help. Maybe somewhat you can do so. So many have their own legends. I don't know what's your put in comment. I am taking some of the example. If you are a sport person, I am taking one example from cricket. If you are a sport person from cricket, you are good in playing. You are good in playing. You are good. If someone is good in bowling. If you are good in playing, you have heard the name of Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar, Saurabh Ganguly, Yuvraj Singh. What is common in between? If you are a bowler, you have name of Kapil Dev, Mazharuddin Saha, Anil Kumble and many more. What they have common in between all? If you see, they have been practicing from last 20 to 30 years to become a success. They have been practicing. They to achieve his goal, they have practiced his work. Daily they are practicing. To become in success, you have to be practice. Dedicate your goal, what you want to be, what you want to succeed. Do your hard work. Be patient, calm in yourself to become a success. And then perform to doing something. Without any experience, without any practice, without any performance, you can't do better. If you go without any practice, without any experience, you are become a success in one time. But you want to succeed in life whole time, you have to be practice and learn from the failure, what you have failed from to become this. To learn from the failure to become a success. If you are a good entrepreneur, if you are a good salesperson, you have the name of the Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Dhirubhai Ambani, Lakshmi Mittal. What other they common in this one? Again, they come from common background. They are doing hard work. They are set his goal, his potential. They have planned some ideas. They are daily given his task and planning his idea. They have know his value of time. To become success, you have to do hard work, patience, create your times, create your what you want to be, delegate your ideas and do whom you want to be a legend, whom you want to be succeed, to do, prepare and plan your ideas and then perform. To any become success, there are many tasks, many legends, many people to be followed. I have taken some of the example. To become a success, any field, any department, any world, you have to do some hard work. Focus on your dream, on your work. Do your good experience. Share your knowledge. Learn from the failures. what you have been failed, what to become, to catch what you have been failed, to become, to put in this life to become a success. Plan, value your time, experience, and many more to become success. Hope you like this video. Thank you. For next video, please continue my channel. Thank you.